everyone, and welcome to Diverse Toy Collector. Today we're going to be opening up and unboxing the Barbie Puppy Adventure Festival. It's for ages 4+. It's the Mega Bloks, and there's 165 pieces. Let's see what comes inside the box. So it seems like the first thing that we have is Barbie. She has a pink shirt, pink shoes, and her blue jeans. This looks like a balloon, a dog resting on a block, another puppy, another puppy, and another puppy. So we have a total of 4 puppies and 1 Barbie and a balloon. It looks like here we have some blocks. Wow, it looks like there's more blocks. It seems like there's even more blocks. This looks like a backdrop for the Puppy Adventure Festival that we're going to be building. So even more blocks. Wow, this looks like a Ferris wheel. And even more little pieces to assemble. And this looks like an instruction manual. So we're gonna need that when we're assembling this Puppy Adventure Festival. So now we have our little hot dog stand with some ice cream cones, hot dogs, and a little umbrella. So we have everything assembled. We have the little ticket box, the hot dog cart, the Ferris wheel with the slide, the little area for darts, and spin the wheel here. So let's play. So Barbie's gonna come in, get her ticket to go to the Puppy Adventure Festival. Little doggies, would you like a hot dog? Yes, I want a hot dog. Barbie took an ice cream cone. You want a lick? That tastes good. Let's go play on the Ferris wheel. Whee! that looks like so much fun. Why don't we slide down the slide? Whee! Whee! Barbie, why don't you spin the wheel and see what you can win? Why doesn't Barbie slide down the slide? Whee! Okay, everyone. Thank you for coming to Puppies Adventure Festival. I hope you guys had a great time. Talk to you guys later. Bye.